Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 5 divided 5 divided 5 divided 5. So let's start with today's video solution. What people do 5 divided 5 as 1, 5 divided 5 as 1 and 1 divided 1 as 1. What do you think? Is it correct or wrong? Yes, it's wrong. Because when you have given a same operation repeating again and again, that is here the division sign, then always solve from left to right. So it's 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5. That means 1 divided by 5 divided by 5. 1 divided by 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 5. This becomes due to the reciprocal of right hand side. So it's 1 by 25, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.